In this lecture, we are going to learn about rectangular pattern feature in Catia. Go to transformation feature toolbar and here you will see the rectangular pattern feature. Select it. Here you can see different selections. First select the object you want to make pattern of. Now select the reference direction about which you want to make pattern. For that, select this part and it will take direction as direction 1 and direction 2. We can increase the number of instances from here. You can also give spacing between the instances. Give 50 mm spacing. The space between the instances is 50 mm. Now select second direction option. Increase the number of instances. This is in second direction. You can also give spacing between the instances. So you can create a pattern of a single part in linear direction using rectangular pattern feature.